It's Friday, and we're here to talk about words of wisdom. Today's book is by Robert Greene, The Laws of Human Nature. Great book, kind of lengthy, but will explore the ancient wisdom of the various natural things of human beings and how they can influence and impact your ability to be successful. As we wrap up today's words of wisdom, we ask that you share with us your books, the books that you have read that are valuable, and we want to share those with our listenership.